Our game has two parts, a transmitter and a receiver.
The transmitter has a tilt switch worn as a belt. When the player jumps to the next tile, it sends a wireless signal to the receiver.
The receiver controls an array of LEDs lighting up each tile sequentially to show the player's progress.
There's also a laser and LDR sensor set up on the stone tile. When the player picks up the stone by breaking the laser beam, the system detects it and gives a special signal.
If the player misses the stone and moves ahead, the game restarts, just like the original rules of Kunte. This way, Playroots respects tradition and adds technology for fun feedback. We also created a board game which is about Indian indigenous games. We used Canva to design this board, so it's usually played with dice and pawns, just like how you play snakes and ladders.
Playroots shows how simple technology can play a powerful role in keeping our traditional games alive and relevant in today's world.
The game not only encourages kids to be active and improve their coordination, but also strengthens their connection to cultural roots by reviving Kunte, a beloved indigenous game.
By combining sensors, wireless communication, and interactive feedback, Playroots makes the experience immersive and educational, bridging the gap between heritage and modern learning tools.
This project highlights the need to preserve our cultural heritage while adapting to new technologies that children enjoy and understand naturally.
We hope that Playroots inspires other students, educators, and communities to use technology as a tool to celebrate and sustain local traditions and physical play.
This is a Playroots project.